what we did is we took the pressure transducer out of the number 4 cylinder that we suspect is poor, bad, and we moved it to the number 3 cylinder that we know is contributing. And this is the reading we're getting. That's a little dirty there. So what we have is well over 100. Now I disabled the fuel pump here, so and I think the battery's starting to get a little weak here. So we're probably at, if I had to guesstimate here, 120 pounds as compared to we were 22 pounds. So I'm definitely going to say that there's something wrong with that that cylinder, the number 4 cylinder, mechanically wrong with it. So I'm going to flip-flop it back over to that, take a closer look at the pattern of the waveform and look for look to see if we can find what's going on with it.